Welcome to Cruising Obsession. I'm Christie, and today I'm going to talk about how to prep when you're 1 week out from your cruise. First thing I like to do is make sure I have an electronic list in my phone that I can consult whenever I need to. I also make sure I have joined the Facebook page for my specific cruise. If you look up your page and cannot find it, try the celebrity roll call page. For any cruise we go on, I keep a running digital item list in my phone to consult as need be. Another list that I keep on my phone is everything that's happening on the cruise ship. I make note of my cabin location, how happy we are with it. I keep a running list of everyone that takes care of us on the ship so that I can mention them by name when I'm filling out my survey at the end of the cruise. This is very meaningful to them as it helps them move up in their position. So a week out, I like to make sure our luggage is in order. Give it a wipe down if you've been storing it up in an attic or down in a basement. Check the handles, the zippers, the wheels. Make sure everything is in good running condition. Make sure your personal luggage tag has current information on it. We also like to keep a large sheet of paper inside the suitcase with our contact information in case there's a mishap at the airport. We want them to be able to get our luggage to us. Something else we do is purchase the plastic luggage tag holders, as we normally print them out and they're on paper. It's better than just stapling the paper to the handles. Some people learned that the hard way last year. We had a very stormy embarkation day. It can happen. And some of the paper tags melted off. And they did not have personal luggage tags on there. So a couple people had delays getting their luggage. So do avoid that. A terrific piece of technology that has come out in recent years would be AirTags or tiles to put inside your suitcase, and you're able to track its location from your phone. You'll want to start laying out your clothes, make sure you have everything you need. If your ship offers a formal night, make sure you have the appropriate clothing for that, including accessories, your earrings, your shoes, things like that. With regards to shoes, I'd just like to touch on a couple of topics. If you have footwear difficulties and you need to wear a Birkenstock style shoe or even a sneaker style shoe and it's formal night, you're all dressed up but you have comfy footwear on, don't give that a worry. I see people concerned about that on Facebook all the time. Another note on shoes is you may want to have another pair of shoes that is closed-toed. You may get an invitation to go to a party on the helicopter deck. This is a celebrity offering for elite class and up, concierge as well. You cannot go out on the heliopad unless you have closed-toed shoes. Also, if you're doing a tour of the ship and it goes in the kitchen, again, you must have closed-toed shoes. Okay, let's talk about toiletries. On Facebook, I see a lot of questions regarding products that are offered on board the ship, particularly hair products. If you have a product you really love, then just pack it. Just get a small travel bottle and take your own hair products. With regards to hair dryers, the one on board the celebrity ship will have 2 heat settings and a button that you'll need to hold in. You may take a flat iron for your hair, but no clothing irons and no steamers. Those 2 items will be confiscated before you board the ship and will be returned to you upon leaving the ship at the end of your vacation. Another thing I'd like to add in the category of toiletries, if you're trying any new products or packing something new, ladies, sometimes you want to try out false eyelashes. Be sure to test the glue on your skin beforehand so you don't have worries of an allergic reaction. Medications. All prescription medications should be carried on board with you rather than packed in your luggage. Be sure to include some pain relief, maybe some Motrin, any stomach pills that you may need, and seasick meds if that is you. Some additional items you may want to take along would be a small bottle of hand sanitizer. You might want to Have that in a backpack if you go off on an excursion. Although I have cheated and taken the makeup wipes that come in the room and brought those on excursions to wipe our hands down before eating in case we don't have access to a sink. You want to be sure you have a toothbrush holder, some Ziploc bags for carrying spillable items, and a bag to carry your shoes in. Some other things we found helpful would be magnetic hooks to put on your cabin walls to hang things from. Another handy item is a pop-up laundry hamper and also a motion sensor light. If you're getting up during the night, it will illuminate your way. If you don't have a drink package, you may want to bring along a reusable water bottle. An important item to be sure to pack is sunblock. Keep in mind, some excursions do require reef-friendly sunblock. Do check the labels. And also, if you're looking at taking last year's sunblock, be sure to check the expiration date. Did you know sunblock actually expires? Be sure to also reapply frequently, especially if you're outdoor sweating or you're swimming. Another convenient item I like to take along is a bottle of pump hand soap. I prefer using that to the bar soap that the cabins come with. I hope you found this video helpful. Do stay tuned for more.